Hi, this is Tammy with SilkOut System, and I just want to give you a preface to what you're going to see right here. If you look at this video, I have it in slow-mo so I can talk over this, and then I'm going to let the client give her testimony. So in the top right portion is her at-home Texlax relaxer that she was doing for years. She has amazingly thick hair, but it is over-processed. And she actually went to a trichologist thinking she had some internal issues, and that her hair was damaged from something that was going on within her body. The trichologist determined that it was all surface level, what she was doing to her hair, and referred her to me since she lived close to me. I saw the condition her hair was in. I gave her the restorative treatment. You're going to hear us call it the restorative treatment, but we have now packaged it, and it's now the silkening treatment. And if you see the bottom right picture, this is the results of her hair after simply rinsing out the conditioner. It strengthened, realigned her bonds, and restored her hair so that she can preserve her hair while she grows out the Texlax. And of course, to the left is the finish. So this silkening treatment is very, very high performance, salon grade conditioning treatment. The most intense conditioning treatment repair you can get from our website. We have now made it available.
We are at the SilkOut bar at Phoenix Salon Suites in Torrance. This is our client, not a model. This is our client, Nicole. She's been coming now over 90 days. I've shared with you guys a video before. She was doing a Texlax. Her hair was really damaged. She found us, was referred to us, and we started treating her hair and getting her hair in shape. And I was just doing her hair again today and seeing how long it's come a long way in the last like about 4 or 5 months. And it's just on track. Like, I'm really happy for her hair. So I just wanted her to share with you like her own personal, feelings, how she feels about her hair.
I'm just so excited about this journey. I would say about a month ago, I was able to stop taking vitamin supplements that I've been taking internally just to preserve what little hair, that was damaged. And I'm just excited because I've seen the strength without the vitamins that the treatment is doing for my hair. And so even with it wet, it is so strong.
Right. So when she said supplements, she was taking a lot of different supplements, everything for the hair, because her hair was going through something. And she actually even reached out to a trichologist, and she thought it was one thing internally, and it wasn't. It was all external. It was that combination of whatever Texlax combo she was using and doing it herself. we're not anti-relaxer, but it has to be done professionally and conditioned professionally so that you maintain the health of it. But what we learned was her hair did not even need it. So we've transitioned her to a taming treatment. She's had 2, and then she just came in today for a cocktail, SilkOut and a trim, and her hair is just really on track. Not to say that supplements aren't good, but if that's your only recourse is the supplements grow my hair. No, supplements are for your body. Your hair comes out of your body. But some of the challenges we have are right on the exterior, and we're doing it mechanically ourselves. Thank you.